Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about order by clause, distinct clause, limit, in, between and like operator in PostgreSQL. First of all, let's discuss what is order by clause. Normally when you query data from a table, PostgreSQL returns the rows in an unspecified order. To sort the result in ascending or descending order, we can use the order by clause. Then the order by clause allows you to sort the rows returned from a select statement in ascending or descending order. And if it is a string column, then you'll get you can sort data in ascending means alphabetic order. Then descending means in the reverse order. If it is a number column, then you can sort normally like ascending order, that means from smaller to larger. Then descending means larger to smaller. That is how we can use order by clause. Then let's do an example and check what is happening when we use order by clause and when not using order by clause. Before doing the example, let's check what is the syntax of order by clause. As you can see on the screen, the syntax is select column 1, column 2. That means you have to specify the list of columns or an expression that you want to sort by the order by clause. Next you have to specify from which table. Then you have to specify the order by clause, then the column name, then the ascending or descending option. And this is optional. By default it will sort records in ascending order. You can sort multiple columns. For saving some time, I have already created a table called customer info, and it has 4 columns: customer ID, customer name, customer contact and customer country. Then I have already inserted a few rows into that table. Before doing the order by clause operation, let's try to select all the rows. Select star from customer info. Let's run this. Then you will get the complete row, and you can see it is not in a specified order. The USA came first, then Alex came first. It is not in an order, either ascending or not in descending. So if you want to sort columns in ascending or descending order, you can use order by clause. Then suppose you want to sort the table based on the country, that means in ascending order. Then we are expecting an answer like see Canada came first, then China, and that is the order we are expecting. Let's try that. Customer info, the same syntax, select star from customer info, then use the order by clause, order by, then which column you want to apply the order by clause, that is customer country. So normally it is in ascending order. Then let's try this. You'll get the same table, but it is now sorted. You can see the country column, the Canada, then you have 2 entries for Canada, then China, India, United Kingdom, USA. And this is how order by clause works. And if you want to order in descending order, then you can specify the priority here, order format here. You have to specify the sort order. Then I have specified descending. Then you can execute this query. And there is a syntax error. You have to specify that in capital letters. So let's try this. Okay, then the order is reversed. USA came first, then United Kingdom, India, China, Canada. Okay, then suppose you want to order some other column, sort some other column, then say customer name. So then you have to specify the column name here, customer name. Let's run this. See, the order changed. Z came first, then R, P, M. Okay, and this is how you sort result set. You can play multiple columns. Let's check this example. Select star from customer info, order by, customer country and customer name. I have specified 2 columns to apply order by, and this query will select all customers from the customer info table, sorted by the customer country and then customer name column. This means that it orders by country, but if some rows have the same country, then it orders them by customer name. I repeat, actually this statement orders by customer country. In some cases you'll have multiple entries of same country, then it will sort that row by customer name. Let's run this. Okay, you can see it actually sort this table by customer country. That's why the Canada comes here, because we are sorting in ascending order. Then again you have Canada. In that cases it will sort by customer name. When you have one more Canada, then you can see after that M. Muhammad came. Okay, so first of all it sort this table using the customer country, then that result set is sorted by customer name. Okay, I hope you understand. In all our examples we have retrieved complete rows. Instead of that you can retrieve specific rows like customer name, customer country, and if you want to retrieve the customer ID, or you can retrieve all rows by specifying the star symbol. Let's run this. Then you will get only 2 columns, customer name and customer country. Okay, and this is all about order by clause, and we'll discuss the distinct clause in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.